In the year 2025, a quiet revolution is reshaping the American dream, one side hustle at a time. This is not about speculative cryptocurrencies or complex stock market gambles. It is a tangible shift powered by artificial intelligence creating new streams of income for ordinary people across the nation. They are not all Silicon Valley coders or data scientists with advanced degrees. Many are teachers, artists, plumbers, stay-at-home parents. AI as a partner in generating wealth. The evidence is no longer anecdotal, real results for thousands. Today is October 11th, 2025, and this opportunity is happening right now in neighborhoods like yours. Proof is in the results. Diverse people, diverse outcomes. Take Maya, a middle school teacher in Ohio who was looking for a way to supplement her salary without a draining second job. She began using an AI tool to design educational games and interactive lesson plans. By selling these digital resources on an online marketplace, she now consistently earns an extra $3,000 each month. Then there is Mark, the owner of a small plumbing business in Texas. He leveraged AI to automate his advertising campaigns and customer scheduling, leading to a remarkable 25% growth in his business in just 6 months. These stories are not outliers. They are becoming the new norm. The scale of this movement is impressive. Recent industry reports show that over 15% of the American workforce now engages in some form of AI-assisted side gig, a figure that has tripled in the last 2 years alone. This is not just about a few high flyers making headlines. It is about broad-based economic empowerment, accessible technology, leveling the playing field. Consider Lena, a recent college graduate in Florida who used AI-powered software to drastically speed up her video editing process. She started offering her services on a freelance platform, and within 2 months had billed over $4,500. The common thread is not genius, but initiative. Artificial intelligence is no longer a far-off futuristic concept. It is a practical tool available today, ready to be wielded by anyone with a specific goal and the willingness to learn a few simple steps. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You do not need a massive investment or a technical background to begin. What you need is a clear path to follow, a roadmap that breaks down the process into manageable actions. This essay will provide that path, showing you exactly how these individuals started and how you can begin your own journey toward financial enhancement in this new AI-driven economy. One of the most direct routes to earning with artificial intelligence is by offering AI-enhanced services. This path does not require you to build the AI itself, but rather to skillfully use existing AI tools to deliver services faster, better, and more affordably than ever before. Think of yourself as a modern artisan, but instead of a hammer or a paintbrush, your primary tool is a smart algorithm. Content creation for blogs, targeted social media management, rapid video editing, graphic design, sophisticated data analysis for small businesses. Clients are not just looking for cheap work, they want value, speed, and efficiency, all of which AI helps you provide. Let us look at Jordan, a marketing assistant from Arizona. He noticed many local coffee shops and boutiques struggled with their online presence. Jordan spent a weekend learning a popular AI writing assistant, then practiced crafting specific prompts to generate engaging posts. Split screen. Left. Typing. A prompt. Right. A vibrant professional social media feed for a local cafe. He created a simple service package, manage a business's full social calendar for $300 per month. He landed his first 3 clients by walking into stores and showing sample posts. His AI tool did the heavy lifting, letting him serve multiple clients and build steady monthly income. The models: beauty, low startup cost, high scalability. You are monetizing your ability to direct AI effectively. Start by identifying a service that matches your skills or interests. Good with words? Try AI-assisted copywriting. Have a visual eye? Try AI-powered graphic design. Then pick 1 or 2 specialized AI tools to master. Use free trials to practice and build a portfolio of sample work. You do not need a complex strategy to land your first client. Start small and local. Create a clear one-page offer that states what you do, the benefits, saving time, increasing engagement, and your intro price. Reach out to 5 local businesses, friends, and contacts. Present a professional, confident front backed by quality samples. Ask for feedback. Be open to adjustments. Your first happy client is your most powerful marketing asset. A second lucrative path involves creating and selling digital products built with or for AI. Unlike a service model where you trade time for money, a digital product can be sold over and over. That creates passive or semi-passive income. This is where you move from AI user to AI architect on a small, manageable scale. Products can be simple but incredibly valuable. Custom prompt sets for AI art generators, business plan templates powered by AI-driven market analysis, short online courses that teach a specific AI tool. A compelling example, Sam, a former project manager from Illinois. He saw many job seekers struggle to write compelling cover letters. Instead of offering a writing service, he built a simple web app. The app integrated with a low-cost AI language model. Users input a job description and resume details. The app generates a tailored professional cover letter. It charged $9.99 per month. Initial development cost was minimal. With targeted online ads, the app gained thousands of users. That created a steady, scalable income that beat his old salary. Identify a common pain point or repetitive task in a community you know. Niche focus is your greatest advantage. For example, instead of a general AI writing guide, create AI prompt formulas for real estate agents to write listings that sell. Build an MVP and sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Use no code if you need an app. Use ready-made platforms to sell digital files. Gumroad, Etsy. If building an app, use no-code tools like Bubble or Softer. Start with a low price to attract first users. Gather crucial feedback. Use feedback to iterate and improve. Gradually increase price as you add more value. The third major avenue is using AI to dramatically grow an existing business. For the millions of small business owners in America, bakers, mechanics, consultants, retailers, AI presents an unprecedented opportunity to boost efficiency, cut costs, and expand the customer base without significant capital investment or hiring more staff. Consider a small bakery owner in California. Overwhelmed by daily operations, she used AI to generate daily social posts, write compelling email newsletters, and answer common questions via a website chatbot. She analyzed sales data to identify her most popular cakes and the times they sold best. Optimizing her baking schedule reduced waste by 20% and increased overall sales, boosting profit without new hires. Begin with a simple audit of daily tasks. Make a list of repetitive, time-consuming activities. Which are bottlenecks? Which do you dread? It could be responding to customer emails, creating ad copy, or managing your inventory. Research and test one AI tool for one pain point. Use a free trial and see the impact firsthand. Automate a single task, for example, product descriptions, for 1 month. Measure the impact, time saved and sales improvement. Share concrete results to build buy-in. Prove value small, then scale. Gradually transform your business into a more efficient, profitable, and competitive operation. Section 5. Your toolkit for the AI frontier. Skills and software. You do not need to become a programmer overnight, but a few key skills will accelerate your progress. The most fundamental skill is prompt engineering, writing clear, concise, effective instructions. Practice costs nothing but time. Build basic digital literacy, navigate web interfaces, upload, download files, and troubleshoot small issues across tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and email platforms. Understand simple marketing, write a catchy headline, choose compelling images, and state value clearly. For writing, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. For visuals, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, often with free credits to start. To sell, Gumroad or Payhip, taking only a small percentage per sale. Most underrated skill, test ideas, quickly, and learn from failure. Launch a small-scale test. If no traction, pivot quickly without overspending. Build, measure, learn. Far better than 6 months perfecting something nobody wants. Understanding potential financial return is crucial for realistic expectations. Millionaire overnight stories are rare, but significant. Steady supplementary income is very real. Earnings depend on the path you choose, the time you invest, and the value you provide. Common income paths and typical price points in 2025 can guide your goals. As an AI-powered freelancer, retainers for ongoing services are common. Managing social content or writing a weekly blog can command $300 to $2,000 per month per client, based on complexity and results. One-off projects often price between $100 and $1,000 depending on scope. Digital products might sell for $10 to $100 per unit, smaller per sale, but massive scale potential. Sell 100 at $29 and net $2,900 with ongoing sales. Simple subscription tools at $550 per user can compound into meaningful recurring revenue. For existing businesses, measure returns and profit, cost savings and revenue growth. Automating customer service could save $1,000 a month. AI-driven ads might add $1,500 a month in net profit, fundamentally improving financial health. Learning new tech can feel daunting, leading many to think they are too late or not tech-savvy. Anna, a former retail manager from Pennsylvania, shows how quickly results can come. She wanted a creative outlet that could generate extra income. With no design background, she chose to master a single AI design tool. For 2 weeks, she practiced 1 hour nightly, watching tutorials and experimenting. She built a mini portfolio of 10 high-quality designs. She offered a few sample graphics for free in exchange for feedback. No hard sell. 2 businesses loved her work. She proposed 5 custom graphics for $50 and got her first paying clients. The small win proved real market value. Over 3 months, referrals built a steady client list. It did not replace her full-time income overnight, but it created a meaningful cushion and fulfilling challenge. You do not need to be an expert to start. Learn enough to be useful, prove your value on a small scale, and build from there. As you pursue AI opportunities, be aware of risks and anchor your work in strong ethics. AI can hallucinate. If using it for articles, reports, or ads, you must be the final editor and fact-checker. Take minutes to verify key facts and statistics, especially in sensitive fields. Respect copyright. Use tools and assets licensed for commercial use, images, music, and more. Be transparent about AI in your process. Honesty builds trust. Protect customer data. Avoid pasting sensitive info into unknown tools. Read privacy policies. Be honest in marketing, diligent in fact-checking, respectful of copyright, protective of data. That trust turns one-time clients into long-term partners and keeps your reputation your most valuable asset. The journey from curiosity to earning your first AI-driven dollar can begin today. The barrier is often inertia. Here is a simple, actionable checklist to move from passive to active. This week, remember Maya, Jordan, Anna. Each started with one focused step. Choose one small, specific idea. Do not build a complex app or offer a dozen services at once. Could you offer AI-assisted social posts for a local niche? Create 10 AI art prompts for fantasy writers. Rewrite product descriptions on your shop. Block 3 to 5 hours. Learn one AI tool aligned to your idea. Watch a few beginner tutorials. Create one sample, a perfect post, a stunning AI image, or a crisp product description. Share it with 5 people, friends, family, or an ideal customer. Ask for feedback. Improve it once. Then make a friendly intro offer to one person. Win or learn. You have tested the market. Track results for 30 days. Iterate. Momentum follows action. AI is powerful. Waiting for your direction. Take the first step today.